What's going on, everybody? Gemini back, riding again on the R1. Feels amazing after riding the KTM. This bike is just substantially better because of the perspective shift, but the KTM still has its purposes. I think I'm going to enjoy that bike a lot. Today, I'm riding to the Redondo Beach Pier in California, Southern California to be exact, and I'm going to a little car show. So a fun fact about me that some people may know, others may not, I grew up more in the car scene. Today's car show that I'm going to is more of a classics. I'm not very like hyper familiar with classic cars, but I still have a high amount of respect for people that restore them. I think they're cool to look at. I doubt I'd ever own any of these, but that being said, I did come up from having a Honda Civic and a 2013 Mitsubishi Evolution with a bigger turbo, E85, 600 horsepower to the wheels, etc. And then I got into motorcycles, but point is, I still enjoy car shows. I still like cars a lot. I still think that I would probably invest my money more in motorcycles. Maybe one day I'll have, you know, like a luxury car to cruise on. I don't know. I have a Toyota Tacoma right now, and it does its job, which is what I need it to do. But I'm thinking about getting a Mercedes van, like a cargo van though, something that I can throw a motorcycle in the back of. I see those on Instagram or YouTube or whatever, and I'm like, dang, like those are so cool. Seems so much more convenient than a trailer or ramping a motorcycle into the bed of your truck. So we'll see where that goes. Anyway, we're heading down Torrance Boulevard right now. Takes us to the beach. You know, I know this area really well, but I still get confused when I come down here, and sometimes I'm like, wait, is it left or is it right? So I might make a right turn. I might make a wrong turn up here at some point, but I'll get there eventually. I don't know why, but for some reason this whole area always turns me around, and then I have to kind of figure my life out. But nice. I like the Kawasaki's. That's Team Green over there. Always fun to have a little rev matching. Rev matching. Ah, it's a double entendre, you get it? Hopefully there's no cops behind me. Oh, I love the R1, man. Like, think about what I'm going to do with it. Like, do I keep it? Do I sell it? The bike is just, it's always a blast. It sounds amazing. It's a beautiful bike. I mean, I think it would be a tough sell, kind of, or I'd have to take less for it just because of the things that have been modified on it and whatnot. And like, anyone with an experienced eye will be able to tell that it has been laid down at least once. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna keep it. I mean, it's such an amazing bike, dude. And it's my dream bike. Oh yeah, we got the Harleys coming through. Is that a Harley? I don't even know, honestly. That's not a Harley. It's a Beamer. They all look the same to me. I'm sorry. I'm uneducated. I'm ignorant. That was a weird noise. Bet you this Mustang is going to this car show. I can't believe I'm actually going to make it here without doing any wrong turns. Can you believe it? Oh, nice C8 Corvette. Bronco. Nice, he's a champion. An absolute unit. He always gives me in trouble. There we go. Alright, now I need to walk and find my dad, actually. They got live music? No, it's not live. Or is it? It is. Right?
Alright, we're to a short break. We'll be right back. Hey, don't forget, we got some grapple tickets here. Some fantastic prizes.
Alright guys, so we got the helmet off, walking around. Thought I'd stop and show you this Shelby. It's like a kit car. It's pretty cool. Some really nice Chevelles.
You haven't found yourself a Magnum, have you?
Sorry if the camera angle's poor, but not used to this. Some El Caminos right here. Super clean Miata. You got your Mustang Nova SS. Know it's a little bit of a change of pace from a motorcycle vlog channel, but I think it's nice. Check out this. What do you guys think about the C8s? I'm a big fan. I like the new body style, the mid-engine. I just don't like that they don't come with a manual trans, but whatever.
Okay, the down is easy. Just the outer band and the acting of the brake. Okay, that's easy. It's the up. It's got to be a clutch instead of pushing it.
It's brake shoes.
Oh, so it's expanding the brake shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, I was thinking it was fixing this way instead of this
It's a
way.
brake club with brake shoes on the inside.
Another row of Corvettes. C7 Z06. C7 ZR1. Kind of right next to each other, and I think that's a C5? C4 or C5? C7's obviously very specific body style. The ZR1's probably pretty fast.
It's the silence, not the sound. It shakes me to my bones. I never thought I'd say
Same color?
I was scared to be alone. Frozen in time and sinking down below. The pressure's closing in.
just so you guys can see for scale. Crazy.